Live.
Okay, we're back with the last quarter of the second hour of our program. Apo, kat after this, syempre, mangiganta yun. It is Search for Ilocano Idol 2019. Sino nga ta, Apo? Dagi di contestant tayo tatangal daw. Anyway, kung ano po, dito yung text na yun. Hello, Kuya Jun and JM Kablao man amin nagtitingag nang nagruna kengka Kuya Gerald Celestino, Balong Ogano, Jane Ogano, and Jan Ogano, dita Bayaaw, Poultry, Namnama, Alfonso Liste Fugao, Ian, Christian, RJ Serra, Jaya Busilak, Ayanda, Madam Edith Pacolor, Poultry Farm, pati ni Sir Jefferson Somera, dito 5th Infantry Division, Gamo Isabela, ken Ate Tessie Acoba at family. Thanks, Kuya. Virgie Somera, dito yung DNR, Alfonso Lista, kunana, gayem tayo. Ayan, ket, kung na pa dito yung text line tayo. Hello, Kuya Jun. The same thing. Naimbag aldaw user, request ko man da jay tagay. It's me, Gerald Celestino. Dito yung Paswigan Farm. Namnam Alfonso Lista Ifugao. Tagay ka no. Okay. Kaslakit ko ti kumanta ti English. Agor kata pagbigyan da amang karuba. Agor kata bilo kipay lyrics na. Takayat ko mga kansyonan da ito. Okay, ito yan nabiro ka kung lyrics na. Ayan nga Rod. Kaputa kahit ko ti medyo na ulim nga kanito apo nga panagyaman kini bakit for a very happy family that we had. Rock no amaneso natin may isang sonata. So once again, para keng ka, Mrs. Juvie Pastor Seriales.
All my life was a paper, once plain, pure and white. Still you move with your pen, changing moods now and then, till the balance was right. Then you added some music, every note was in place, and anybody could see all the changes in me by the look in my face. And you decorated my life, created a where dreams are apart, and you decorated my life by painting a love all over my heart. You decorated my life. Like a rhyme with no reason in an unfinished song. There was no harmony, life meant nothing to me until you came along, and you brought out the colors. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the things life can be, shine soft in your eyes. And you far apart, and you decorated my life by painting your love all over my heart. You decorated my life.
Okay, may sapay apo nga sunata ti kansunan ng tata sakbay nga mapantoy iti may kadwa nga part. Nga roda, oray ta aba pala ang bata ito nga kansun. Balong, tira mo.
No puraw jay bukel tambo-tambong Nuna labaga jay bukel bugbugay Nunang isit jay bukel takit kalding Nuna silap jay bukel okel Nuna tangken jay bukel ay nyugday ta Nuna silap jay bukel kamatis day ta Nuna kulog jay bukel ipung day ta Nuna kuti jay bukel sikug day ta Lumapis itjay bukel ampas dayta Lukuri bet a bukel pasas dayta Yemnu sunggar a bukel mungay dayta Nuna uneg a bukel mani dayta